President Muhammadu Buhari has appealed to Nigerians who are aggrieved with some laws of the land or have certain misgivings to be patient and seek reforms in line with democratic practices. The president made the appeal at the two-day joint executive-legislative retreat designed to promote harmonious working relationship between the two arms of government held in Abuja.
I believe that the principle of separation of powers as enshrined in our Constitution is designed to enable all arms of government to work together in cooperative and collaborative manner through executive and legislative engagements. Let me thank the leadership and members of the 9th National Assembly for the cordial and warm relationship we have enjoyed in the last 1 year. The accelerated passage of the 2020 budget and its review in response to the coronavirus pandemic, the timely confirmation of my nominees, and passage of critical legislations by the National Assembly are all testaments to your willingness and commitment to play your part towards delivering effective services to Nigerians. There is a compelling need to sustain and strengthen on this partnership by creating platforms for regular dialogue, consultations, and interactions between the executive and the legislature to share ideas and build consensus on critical governance and policy issues. This approach will enhance coordination within government and strengthen our capacity to effectively address the challenges of governance, service delivery, and development.
In his remarks, the Senate President, Ahmed Lawan, lauded the cordial relationship between the executive and legislative arms of government.
This relationship is misunderstood by many. Some, out of mischief, will describe the National Assembly as rubber stamp. Some out of misunderstanding. What is upmost in our minds as members of the National Assembly, in the 9th Assembly, is how do we work with the executive to make Nigeria better? If the price to pay is the names that we get, then let it be the price to pay. Because we believe that Nigerians deserve better service, better infrastructural development in the country, and it is difficult, if not impossible, to achieve meaningful development in this country, or indeed in any democracy, without understanding and harmony in the way and manner the two arms of government work. So far, we have journeyed for over 12 months. So it is time to review this partnership, to review this journey and see what are the weaknesses in the relationship, in the partnership, in the collaboration. What are those areas that we have achieved so much? And we can say that this relationship has worked to so much that we have done some appreciable level of success in terms of service delivery.
The Speaker, House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, who also spoke at the event, said both arms needed to work symbiotically to deliver the dividends of democracy to the people.
It is my hope and my belief that in the next 48 hours, 2 days that is, that we will engage in very robust, very frank discussions about the relationship between these two critical arms of government and how that relationship can inure to the benefit of Nigerians. I believe this two-day engagement will do nothing but enhance this relationship, strengthen it, and the people that will be the better for it. Not us, but the Nigerian people that we represent. So I look forward to the engagement. I believe it will be frank, it will be truthful. We will speak truth to each other, and I believe the outcome will be, like I said, at the risk of sounding repetitive, will be to the benefit of all Nigerians.